Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Roblox Encountered an Unrecoverable error. First of all, open up the Task Manager. Check out if the Roblox is playing in the background. After that, tap the Windows search bar and search here Run App. Then pass the command as sysdm.cpl and click on OK. It will take you to System Properties. Once you get into System Properties, tap on the Advanced option and click on Settings from Startup and Recovery. Then choose the Complete Memory Dump option in Write Debugging Information. Then, to save the changes, you have to restart your system. Once you restart your system, tap on the Windows search bar and open up the Run app. Now pass the command in here as %local app data % and tap on OK. Then from the local app, click on the Roblox folder. Right-click on the Roblox folder and tap to delete it from here. Then open up the settings from the Windows search bar. Click on Apps and Features from Settings. And here, search for Roblox. Now tap on Roblox Player and click to uninstall it from here. Then, go to the Download folder and tap on Roblox Launcher to launch the Roblox. It will fix the Roblox Encountered an Unrecoverable error. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.